So next session of this part is the political map of here we will discuss on the again international borders of India with the neighboring countries. Now let's start with the first one. The first we see this India and China. India and China, this part is the border with India and China. Here, this border with India and China is called McMahon line. It is called McMahon line. So this total length of the McMahon line is about 890 kilometer, right? So this McMahon line was named after British Indian Army officer. British Indian Army officer who was a lieutenant colonel. His name is called Sir Arthur Henry McMahon, right? So McMahon line is a demarcation between, it was demarcation between Tibet and northeastern states, northeast India, right? So here this Colonel McMahon proposed this line as the boundary between India and Tibet at Shimla Convention. At Shimla Convention in 1914, right? In the 1914. Then after, the next line is there between India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan. This is called Red Cliff. Red Cliff. So Red Cliff here, Red Cliff line. So this Red Cliff line is the demarcation between British India and Pakistan. Right, British India and Pakistan. Before before partition of India and Pakistan, the Britishers divided British India and the Pakistan. So this was named after Sir. This was Cyril Radcliffe. Cyril Radcliffe, right? Now, here, this is, he was a chairman of Boundary Commission. He was chairman of Boundary Commission. Right? He was chairman of Boundary Commission. So this Radcliffe was drawn for dividing the region of 1947. At the time of 1947, 1947 means the year when India got independence from the British rule, right? So here was division between the West Pakistan and India, or we can say British India. and East Pakistan. West Pakistan, which is presently is Pakistan land, and East Pakistan, it is East Pakistan, which has presently become Bangladesh after liberation from Pakistan in the year 1971. 1971 war, we remember. So that was in the liberation revolution, we can say, from the Pakistan, right? So there Bangladesh came into existence. The name Bangladesh is the land of the people belonging to Bangla language, right? Land, this is whole, this is Bangladesh, which was part of East Pakistan, which was earlier known as East Pakistan, which got liberation in the 1971 from the Pakistan. So this whole belt, this political change or the political reformation, there it came into existence in the 1971. So the border with the Bangladesh or the borderline with the Bangladesh has not renamed in any ways, right? Rather it is also here. This is also a Bangladesh border with India, right? So it has not been renamed, but the line has been same called as a red cliff, right? Then after the next line it comes to the notice, it is called, this is Durand line. It is Durand line. So Durand line has a very less significance because it is only Afghanistan border. It is division between Afghanistan and India. So Afghanistan and India, we remember this is only 106-kilometer border areas. So this was divided by Sir Mortimer Durand. Mortimer Durand. This is Mortimer Durand in the 1896, known as Durand line. Durand line, right? So in this part, there we have the more of the other important areas with our neighboring countries, or more of border areas with our neighboring countries. For example, there is a small narrow channel between India and Myanmar. This is Myanmar. And there is a territorial border of India or territorial land of India in the form of Andaman Nicobar Islands. So this is called Coco Channel. It is a Coco Channel. So Coco Channel is the narrow passage which divides India from the Myanmar or separates India from the Myanmar, right? Thereafter, this land area is called Sumatra Island, which belongs to Indonesia, right? So India has been separated from Indonesia by Great Channel, by Great Channel, right? They are the two important areas, and this is Malaysia, and this part is Thailand, right? It is Thailand. So Thailand is also, this whole area is a Thailand. So Thailand is also separated from India by Andaman Sea. This is whole is Andaman Sea, right? India has been separated from Sri Lanka by Pak Strait. Pak Strait. Then after, this archipelago is called Maldives. This is Maldives. And Maldives is separated from India by a narrow channel. This is called 8-degree channel. 8-degree channel. And then after the border, this territorial border with India and Pakistan, this is Sir Creek. Sir Creek. But this is a disputed land between India and Pakistan, a disputed zone between India and Pakistan. So this is whole of the international territorial area, India and the neighboring countries. So we will take in the next class or the next session about the political boundaries and the uh, political states, political map of the India and the neighboring states. So thank you so much. I hope you have understood this significance of the border areas.